Unlock your full potential with the power of words. Imagine the thrill of outsmarting your opponents, the sense of accomplishment as your vocabulary grows, and the joy of being rewarded for your hard work. With WordLink app, you can make your dreams a reality. Join the community of word enthusiasts and unlock your true potential today. WordLink is a captivating mobile game that has taken the world by storm, captivating millions with its unique blend of fun and educational value. Rated 4.8 stars by over 1 million users, this app is a testament to the captivating power of word games. WordLink is not just a game, it's a mental workout disguised as entertainment. Whether you're a seasoned wordsmith or a casual gamer, WordLink promises an engaging experience for all. The game's premise is deceptively simple. Connect letters to form words. This easy-to-grasp mechanic is what makes WordLink so appealing to players of all ages and backgrounds. But don't let the straightforward gameplay fool you. WordLink offers a surprisingly deep and challenging experience that will put your vocabulary to the test. The beauty of WordLink lies in its accessibility. The game is designed to be enjoyed by everyone, regardless of their linguistic prowess. Whether you're a logophile with a penchant for obscure words or a casual player looking for a fun way to pass the time, WordLink welcomes you with open arms. At its core, WordLink is incredibly intuitive. Players are presented with a jumbled grid of letters, and their task is to connect adjacent letters to create words. The game's intuitive design ensures that even those unfamiliar with word games can grasp the mechanics within seconds. Simply swipe your finger across the screen to connect letters and watch as words magically appear. But beneath this simplicity lies a powerful tool for cognitive enhancement. WordLink is a fantastic way to expand your vocabulary, improve your spelling, and boost your cognitive flexibility. Every successful word formation triggers a rush of satisfaction as you witness your vocabulary expand before your very eyes. The game challenges you to think outside the box, to consider different letter combinations, and to unearth hidden words from a seemingly random assortment of letters. This constant mental stimulation keeps your mind sharp and agile, making WordLink not just a fun pastime but a beneficial brain training exercise. WordLink caters to a wide range of skill levels with its cleverly designed level system. Beginners can start with easy puzzles that gently introduce the game's mechanics and gradually increase in difficulty. As you progress, the game throws in curveballs to keep you on your toes. Each level presents a unique challenge, with grids becoming larger and words becoming more complex as you advance. The game does an excellent job of pacing the difficulty, ensuring that players are consistently challenged without feeling overwhelmed. You might find yourself breezing through the first few levels, feeling like a true wordsmith. But don't get too comfortable. WordLink keeps you engaged by introducing new word lengths, letter combinations, and even themed puzzles. This constant evolution of challenges ensures that even the most seasoned WordLink veterans will find themselves returning for more. WordLink sweetens the deal even further with its rewarding system. Successfully completing levels earns you coins, which can be accumulated and exchanged for real-world cash rewards. Yes, you heard that right. You can actually earn money by playing this addictive word game. But the rewards go beyond mere monetary gains. The true prize lies in the sense of accomplishment you feel as you conquer challenging levels and expand your vocabulary. Every new word you discover, every puzzle you solve, is a testament to your growing linguistic prowess. And what better way to celebrate your victories than by sharing your achievements with friends and family? WordLink lets you connect with other players, compare scores, and even challenge your friends to beat your high score. WordLink understands the power of social connection and encourages players to share their love for the game. You can easily connect your social media accounts to the game and share your progress, achievements, and even those moments of triumph when you conquer a particularly challenging level. Imagine the satisfaction of sharing a screenshot of your latest high score, accompanied by a witty caption celebrating your word-forming prowess. Your friends will be both impressed and eager to join in on the fun. The game's social features foster a sense of community among players. You can exchange tips, strategize with fellow word enthusiasts, and even engage in friendly competitions. WordLink becomes more than just a game, it transforms into a platform for connection and shared enjoyment. So what are you waiting for? Embark on your WordLink adventure today, and discover a world of vocabulary enrichment, cognitive stimulation, and endless entertainment. Download the app, challenge yourself, and watch as your word power reaches new heights. Whether you're a seasoned word game aficionado or a curious newcomer, WordLink promises an engaging and rewarding experience for all. Join the millions who have already discovered the joy of WordLink, and see how many words you can connect. Your vocabulary will thank you, your mind will be stimulated, and you might even walk away with some extra cash in your pocket. Thank you for watching the entire video. If you found it valuable and enjoyable, we would greatly appreciate your support. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with others who may find it helpful too. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos like this one.